Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who is regarded as the author of the Spanish tragedy? A. Thomas Kyd, B. Christopher Marlowe, C. Ben Jonson, D. John Lyly. The right answer is option A. Thomas Kyd. Next question. Thomas Kyd is mainly associated with which dramatic tradition? A. Comedy of humors, B. Revenge tragedy, C. Restoration comedy, D. Pastoral drama. The right answer is option B. Revenge tragedy. Next question. Which play by Thomas Kyd greatly influenced Shakespeare's Hamlet? A. Cornelia, B. Solomon and Procida, C. The Spanish tragedy, D. Arden of Faversham. The right answer is option C. The Spanish tragedy. Next question. The ghost character in the Spanish tragedy is accompanied by whom? A. Revenge, B. Justice, C. Death, D. Nemesis. The right answer is option A. Revenge. Next question. The central character of the Spanish tragedy is A. Lorenzo, B. Balthazar, C. Hieronymo, D. Pedrangano. The right answer is option C. Hieronymo. Next question. Which theme is most dominant in Thomas Kyd's plays? A. Romantic love, B. Political satire, C. Revenge and justice, D. Religious reform. The right answer is option C. Revenge and justice. Next question. Thomas Kyd belonged to which literary age? A. Victorian age, B. Restoration age, C. Elizabethan age, D. Jacobean age. The right answer is option C. Elizabethan age. Next question. Which Senecan feature is prominently found in Kyd's tragedies? A. Realistic dialogue, B. Chorus and revenge motif, C. Romantic ending, D. Comic interludes only. The right answer is option B. Chorus and revenge motif. Next question. Thomas Kyd's The Spanish Tragedy was first performed approximately in A. 1558, B. 1587, C. 1605, D. 1620. The right answer is option B. 1587. Next question. Which university is Thomas Kyd believed to have attended? A. Oxford University, B. Cambridge University, C. Merchant Taylors' School, D. University of London. The right answer is option C. Merchant Taylors' School. Next question. Which play is sometimes attributed partly to Thomas Kyd? A. Dr. Faustus, B. Arden of Faversham, C. Volpone, D. Every Man in His Humour. The right answer is option B. Arden of Faversham. Next question. The play Cornelia by Thomas Kyd is a translation of a work by A. Seneca, B. Robert Garnier, C. Euripides, D. Plautus. The right answer is option B. Robert Garnier. Next question. In the Spanish tragedy, Hieronymo seeks revenge for the murder of A. Lorenzo, B. Horatio, C. Balthazar, D. Pedrangano. The right answer is option B. Horatio. Next question. Which character in the Spanish tragedy is the father of Horatio? A. Lorenzo, B. Balthazar, C. Hieronymo, D. Don Andrea. The right answer is option C. Hieronymo. Next question. Thomas Kyd was a contemporary of A. John Milton, B. Alexander Pope, C. Christopher Marlowe, D. William Wordsworth. The right answer is option C. Christopher Marlowe. Next question. Which of the following is not written by Thomas Kyd? A. Solomon and Procida, B. Cornelia, C. The Spanish Tragedy, D. Tamburlaine. The right answer is option D. Tamburlaine. Next question. Thomas Kyd's contribution to English drama mainly lies in developing A. Romantic comedy, B. Epic theatre, C. Revenge tragedy structure, D. Theatre of the absurd. The right answer is option C. Revenge tragedy structure. Next question. Thomas Kyd's father was professionally A. Merchant, B. Scrivener, C. Lawyer, D. Printer. The right answer is option B. Scrivener. Next question. The opening of the Spanish tragedy introduces A. A comic scene, B. A court mask, C. The ghost of Don Andrea, D. A battle description only. The right answer is option C. The ghost of Don Andrea. Next question. Which of the following elements is common in Kyd's tragedies? A. Pastoral songs, B. Bloody violence, C. Domestic comedy, D. Allegorical animals. The right answer is option B. Bloody violence. Next question. Thomas Kyd's dramas are important for developing A. Realistic prose, B. Blank verse tragedy, C. Epic poetry, D. Satirical novels. The right answer is option B. Blank verse tragedy. Next question. Which of the following best describes kids' tragic heroes? A. Comic and foolish. B. Passive and weak. C. Emotionally intense and revengeful. D. Purely allegorical. The right answer is option C. Emotionally intense and revengeful.